This week in Ken's Tech Lab, we went directly to the Mintion Amazon store and checked out their new resin kit. Let's take a look. Stay tuned. Welcome back. Like I was saying in the intro, this is from the Mintion Amazon store. You can get it yourself. And today, let me see what it's. I think it was on sale, $23.99 for Prime members. Originally $29.99, so I think it's on sale. It's in stock, 20% off. Free delivery with Prime, and it comes with quite a few pieces. This is the largest set. They have non-woven wipers for $19.99 and the Mintion pens. So they got a few things that you can get from their store on Amazon. Everybody knows the company. They do a lot of, they do the camera, the resin and the FDM print camera. I had one that I did a review on the resin one, and I also have a video on the FDM one that I did with the Prusa. So let's open this up and see everything that we actually get with this. So I didn't know how this was going to be unpacked or packed, so I just opened the top of it. Put this over here. And I didn't want to take anything out until I actually got this on the video. Okay, so here's what it comes with. It comes with a stainless steel 3D printing tools, funnel, enclosure, precise resin pouring. Comes with two types of filters. 3 plastic scrapers, angled and straight tweezers, silicone mat, industrial grade wiping paper, 1 stainless steel funnel, 201 coarse filter, 1 304 fine filter, 10 disposable filters, 10 industrial wiping papers, 1 silicone pad, 1 silicone brush, cleaning brush, 1 scorching pad, plastic scrapers, metal scrapers, diagonal cutter, pliers, and tweezers in the straight tweezer, carving knife, and carving knife head. So let's see what really this is like. So this must be the papers and the funnel are in the same bag. So these are the funnels, probably like the same ones that you get when you order a printer. They give you like 2 or 3 of them. This is the same funnels to funnel your resin after a print. These are scratch resistant cloth. They won't scratch your clear plastic. We have a nice matte silicone where resin won't stick to this. I always need another matte, whether it be for painting my models or after I've taken them out. I actually used one of them to stop the printer from sliding around when it had harder plastic feet that didn't stick. I think everybody knows the printer I'm talking about. Okay, comes with a scouring pad. I guess we can rough up the build plate for the resin plate on that if we needed to. Comes with, let's see what's all in this one. Comes with an exact knife, good for cutting off all the supports. Comes with a like a little metal, not metal, I'm sorry, plastic, kind of a, I don't know what it is. It's a little plastic, kind of like a scraper, or really, I don't know. These I know. I use these all the time to get the rest of the resin back into the bottle, or to stir the resin while it's in the base. It comes with 3 of those. Side cutters. These are good for resin to cut off the supports as well, or it's also good for FDM to do the same thing. So why don't I do this? Let's take out the pad. It's never good to have these silicone pads bunched up like this. They need to be straightened out. You always place them with the rim up, so if you have a spillage, it won't leak over the rim. This thing will go back out to completely smooth. So let's put the items over on it. And we'll move this right there for everybody. How's that? This right there, and the filters right there. Now I know that everybody needs a good funnel, and I don't mean these plastic funnels. This is what I purchased myself outside the kit. Let's see if I can find it. Yep, here it is. This is mine that I purchased when I first got into resin printing. And everybody said, or at least all the good people that do resin printing said, to purchase a stainless steel one like that and not a plastic one. So that's what I did. This also comes with the same 2 filters like mine did. I use the bigger hole filter because it's too slow to go through the really tight one. There is one here that is a lot bigger holes on it to strain, and just put it in like that and you're good to go. Alright, we got ourselves a short metal scrape spatula to get your prints off the resin plate. And 2 sets of tweezers. We have the regular tweezer and we have the bend, the one with the bend in it, tweezers. Sorry, it's called. Just tweezers, fine tweezers. Okay. Well, a couple things on this kit, and this is the good, bad, and ugly of it. So this brush, leave in the comments below for resin printing, what would you use this brush for? It was in the kit, but I don't understand now what I would use it for. Even in FDM printing, this would not be fine enough to go clean the nozzle out. So let me know in the comments. I don't think that needs to be in the kit. I would probably add something else. The scratch pad, another reason I don't know why this would be in the kit, except for to scratch up your build plate a little bit so you have more, you know, your prints stick better. A little alcohol and a nice soft cloth is what I use to clean my build plate after I'm done. That usually takes care of it, no problem. I never have prints stuck to anything. You're not going to use it on the FEP plastic, you know, because you're going to scratch it up and you can't scratch it up. So I don't understand why that's in there. Good set of side cutters. Every printer, every FDM resin, we all have supports. That is no brainer. Having a good, I would say, X-Acto knife. This is another one that's good for the small parts to get the supports off. Let's say a little hand on a miniature or something like that. This, I have no phantom of what this is for. So if somebody could leave me a comment, it's a rubbery thing. I don't know what it's used for. The 3 scrapers, I use this on the FEP to scrape off to get the resin back in the bottle, or I use it to stir the resin back up. And I think only one of my printers came with one. The other ones did not. The funnel we talked about, and that is priceless. This scraper, it's a little small. My builds, I use this. This has been priceless for me to get all my, it's hard, it's got a edge to it, and I get prints right off my build plates with this on my resin printer. I don't know if I could try, I mean, I'll try a little bitty one like this. Let me know in the comments. Tweezers. I have not used tweezers in any of my resin builds. And you know, I've gotten into painting. So right now my resin build, after I print my resins, they go to the wash, and then they go to the cure, and then they hang out for a while, and then they get washed again, and then they go down to my painting area with my my spray booth and all my tools I use to clean them. And I don't have tweezers for anything. Maybe I'll use it in the future, I don't know. But I just don't know why they're in a resin kit. These funnels right here, this does the same thing, right? I mean, if you really want to get fine with it, you know, this isn't going to take out any of the, like if you want to do alcohol or something, it's not going to clean out the remains of that, of resin. So normally when I get a printer and these come with them, they go right in the trash. Because I know I'm going to be using this. And if I do want to be a better strainer, though, then I'll just add in the other tighter one. So that's it with this kit. This is from Mintion. They asked me to review this, so I'll tell you the truth about it. I paid for this with my own money, and it's not bad for the price. I forgot how much I paid for just this. Just this alone was worth the cost of the entire kit. Some of the other things I wouldn't need. but some of these I do. I don't have 3 of these, but they do come with printers, some of them, and they are the same yellow ones. But I only have 1 so far, and I have a lot of resin printers. So let me know, leave your comments below. Thank you for joining us on this little unboxing of the Mintion Resin Kit. This is the professional kit, and it's pretty cheap. It comes with everything pretty much to get started with resin printing. Some things, you know, after you buy a couple of resin printers, you won't need, but I'm not everybody. I've got quite a few resin printers, but people that are just getting started, this is a great kit to start you out with all the different little tools that you are going to look for afterwards and say, oh geez, I need to buy one of these. Well, if you buy the kit, you're pretty well going to have everything you need. This is Ken from Ken's Tech Lab, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and like always, stay awesome.